This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, June 28th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a few scattered pockets of showers and thunderstorms, some over the Texas Panhandle, some over Kentucky, some over the Gulf, and another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from just after midnight, fairly quiet across the country outside. Some flood watches over Utah and Wyoming, some wind issues over Nevada. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet. Here's the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days, or lack of precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening. And it shows little, if any, to fall across the state, with the heaviest rain to the south. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the 594 ridge over Texas and New Mexico, and that's where the extreme heat will be, whereas we'll be under high pressure with temperatures in and around 80 degrees, but it'll be warming up throughout the week with readings approaching 90 by the end of the week. Wednesday, you can see winds will be beginning to turn southerly. Moisture will still be to our south and will remain there for quite some time. Readings will be in the lower to middle 80s. Thursday, this is when the heat will really start to be felt. Highs will be in the mid to upper 80s across the east, lower to middle 90s across the center, and upper 90s across the west. Friday will be a touch cooler, highs likely across the state, upper 80s to mid 90s. The heat indices will be at or near or over 100. We look ahead to Saturday, the first day of the Independence Day weekend. You can see the 594 ridge centered over southern Illinois. With that, there could be a weak frontal system moving in that could set off a shower or storm, and that could set off a shower or storm all weekend long, but the chances will be very isolated. Sunday, model shows precipitation to the north and east of the state, but we can't discount a 20% chance of a shower or storm developing. Monday, Independence Day, same story. You see the model wants to bring in some showers and thunderstorms, so probably be about a 20 to 30% chance of it at that time. And a week from today, the 5th of July, you can see that frontal system will be just south of the state still, so chances of showers and thunderstorms will remain into early next week. We have it off into Voodoo Country. Here's July the 8th. That ridge begins to break down, a weakness in the center part of it with a west to west northwesterly flow aloft. With the main storm track still over the Canadian border, you can see the storm system is going to bring some showers and thunderstorms at that time toward the end of next week. And at the end of the forecast period on July the 13th, the 594 ridge is back again, now centered over Utah. We have a slight northerly flow aloft, and with that could bring in a weak frontal system, and that could bring some showers and thunderstorms to the state. But as far out as this is, things will change with every run. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.